Yo, gentle people, Bunny here, welcome. So I know it's been a while, like a month, has it been? Yeah, I think it's about a month. Yeah, it's been a month since I posted that final part of like Father Like Son on this live kind of catch up with me. I've been crazy busy this last month, basically. Had a little setbacks in October, so that's really and truly why you haven't seen me come on and post anything in recent times. Of course, I know people have been subbing all the same. I know people have been watching the videos on the channel all the same. So, thanks for the support and love all the same. Welcome to the new subscribers. Shouts out to the old subscribers. And as you can see by the title of this video, 6,000 subs. So we're growing slowly but surely, and I gotta appreciate the love and support. Everybody comes to the channel and they have a good laugh. Forget about your problems temporarily, if at least. So yeah. So as you can tell by the thumbnail on your screen, special announcement, and I think majority of you guys there, I think you're gonna actually love this announcement. So now that we've gotten the apologies for not posting anything for a while out of the way, let's get to this. So when I started this channel, the first video I posted was an excerpt from Shibata Goes to School. So I'd like to announce, and before I even announce, it was a case where I didn't have permission from the powers that be to go ahead and post the entire play. But recent discussions, recent back and forths, I have obtained the permission. So you know what that means. The rest of Shibata Goes to School will be on this channel, and I actually think, well, I'm like 90% sure that Shibata Goes to School isn't really available anywhere else, honestly. So BLA Productions will be the first place that you can see Shibata Goes to School. I mean, provided you haven't watched it when it had its run in Jamaica and elsewhere, but you get the point. So stay tuned for that. We have 2 parts on the channel, so you can check that out. But the next part will be dropping this Saturday, more than likely in the afternoon, evening hours, worst case scenario in the night, so look out for it. I'll probably have like some countdown video or something. I see YouTube has this new premiere feature, so I might try it out for it, so look out for that. And I guess it could be a special treat for you new subscribers, I guess. So yeah. And also I have been trying to in dialogue in terms of getting new content as well, so just stay tuned. I hope you guys have been enjoying your time here on the channel. Continue to subscribe, share it out with your friends and family. I just want to thank everybody for the continued support. Honestly, it means a lot, because at the end of the day, you don't really have to come to this channel, you don't have to watch the videos really and truly, but time is important. You take time out of your busy schedules to really come on board, log on to YouTube, watch a video or 2 on this channel. So yeah, thanks. So that's pretty much all I have to say for now. There are some other projects we have for this channel that are in the works. Nothing concrete just yet. Some discussions are being made for a special series on this channel. So if anything bears fruit from that, of course, you'll hear it right here from me. So yeah. But anyway, once again, I'm sorry for being MIA for the longest while. It's crazy. So yeah. But anyways, Bunny here again, people. So rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks for all the support. Shout out to the new subs, shout out to the old subs, and I'll see you guys in the next one.